Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about my most favorite paper towels. They are Viva. I love it when they go on sale at the grocery store because they're my favorite. They're cloth-like, and what I love about that is it's kind of multi-purpose. So you could use these, like I could use them on my furniture and it's not going to scratch up my furniture like a regular paper towel might. They're like a cloth, so it's just like, I could dust my furniture with the paper towels like I would use just a regular cloth, and it's really awesome. So I love when these go on sale because I always purchase them. I purchased like quite a few packs actually recently because they went on sale at my grocery store. So Viva paper towels come, I don't know, I guess you could get less if you want, but it comes with 8 rolls, but it's like having a 12 pack, like getting one more roll. 8 equals 11, 12. They do last a while, especially in my house. Like, we go through paper towels like water, although I hate to admit that. It's just like there's always something spilling or like something to clean. So this is, I guess, supports the World Wildlife Fund. Just another reason to love this product. It's Heart Your Planet, supporting Forests Together, FSC, registered. I remember seeing this when I was a little kid, and like World Wildlife Fund's been around for a very long time. So the fact that Viva supports that definitely makes me happy. As you can see, I'm kind of almost through this pack. I only have 2 more rolls left. This is Kimberly-Clark, distributed in the USA by Kimberly-Clark Global Sales LLC. It's apartment VWCA 8, Neenah, Wisconsin. Registered trademark of Kimberly-Clark Worldwide Incorporated, KCWW, copyright WWF, and World Wildlife Fund are WWF registered trademarks, 1986 panda symbol WWF. Like I said, I've been seeing this symbol for a long time since I was a little kid, so just around probably that time. Bounty and Select A size are owned by the Procter & Gamble Company, may be patented. See www.kimberlyclark.com/patents. If you have questions or comments, please call. There's the number you could call, 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time. Warning: to avoid danger of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. Caution: paper products can burn if improperly used in microwave ovens. I never use this in microwave ovens, but you could. I know sometimes directions call for, okay, heat this on a paper towel. Always follow the guidelines and precautions in the microwave oven owner's manual compared to Bounty 55 count regular roll selector size. And it's plastic wrap and paper tube, so I think that is recyclable. Recycle, clean and dry. How to recycle .info. It's the website. Choose a sheet. Paper towels, 8 rolls, 88 1-ply sheets per roll. They are 11.0 by 6.0 inches or 27.9 by 15.2 centimeters. Total 322.4 square feet, 29.6 m squared. So another thing I like about this product, I'm going to take some out so you guys can see. I'm definitely a really big fan because you can use just like 1 sheet of this, and 1 sheet is good because it's like somewhat thick and they're really soft, just like a cloth, which just makes it really easy to use. Like, I know other like cheaper paper towels also will leave like a little bit of a residue on like glass countertops and windows and like china cabinet, whatever you're cleaning, but this won't happen with this product. It really doesn't leave any residue at all, and I'm definitely really happy with it. So I like that they're soft, they're easy to use, they're somewhat thick, so you don't have to use a whole lot. And this is the size, just a regular standard paper towel roll, and it fits right on my paper towel holder that I have. So just your regular standard size with the tube inside. Just be sure to recycle that if you guys can. I love these. They, like, say something spills on the floor, like milk or something, you don't need to use half a roll of paper towels to clean it. It's like, it wipes it up really good. And now I like Bounty, so I'm not saying anything bad about them because I know that they're also a really good product that's been around for a long time, and they are very absorbent and stuff like that, but I just prefer this because they're absorbent, but they're also like cloth, like I said, so you could, like Bounty paper towels I can't use to dust my furniture. These I can, so I don't have to go buy cloths. I have them in my paper towels already, if that makes sense. So They are strong, soft, absorbent, and I love Viva paper towels. So this is Viva paper towels. I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.